in 4 ways. And so I'm going to start at the front and move backwards. So number one, the thing that we had was bad framing. All right. So what a lot of people don't know is just like in the beginning of a video, proof, promise, plan, right? What you say at the very beginning has a massive impact on what people end up doing at the end. And so most people do look at the end rather than looking at the beginning and how they got introduced to the sale to begin with. And so in the beginning, a lot of the team that they had was kind of wasting time trying to like build rapport, like, how's your week going? Great. I know we've got limited time here, blah, 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 blah. Like, nope. We wanted to fix the frame and get right to the point. So let me tell you what the bad intro was before this. So it was like, hey, how's it going? My name's so-and-so. How's your week going? Oh, cool. Great. I know we have limited time here, so you're ready to jump in. You know, do you have a pen and paper to take notes with? Right? Now, that was the old way of doing it. And I think that's a fairly common way of doing it. But I tend to think that there's a better way to do it. And so that's what I'm going to share with you. And so what we started with was, hey, my name's John. I'm here from this company, and I have a background in ABC, which is specific to whatever problem that you want to solve. I work closely with so-and-so edified person that you saw on the webinar, and I would love to know what resonated most with you. Now they're going to then answer, because now we're reminding them of the value that they got on the webinar and kind of getting them back in that state where they took action. And we say, great. So the real purpose of this call is to see if you qualify for our guarantee. Not everyone does. And it's really based on these 3 factors. So if it's B2B, you'd be like business size, industry, and you're being the owner. Now, fundamentally, you're going to be going through BANT, which is budget, authority, need, timing. And you want to use those as the qualifications for the guarantee. Now, if you have guarantees, obviously this is sexy. Now, instead of a guarantee, you could also say, hey, we want to make sure that you qualify for the bonus. Or hey, I want to make sure that you qualify for starting by this time. It doesn't really matter what it is. But the thing is you're immediately taking it away and saying, hey, I'm not here to sell. I'm here to first make sure that I can even give you something. And automatically they're leaning in and they're like, ooh, I want something that I'm not immediately having. So you're in the driver's seat. They're the ones who are on the other side hoping to earn your favor. And so then after that, you can clarify what it is. It's like, and to be clear, the bonus is X, Y, and Z, or hey, to be clear, you know, our guarantee, we have to be strict. It's kind of like college admissions, whatever. And if you don't qualify, this is what we're going to set you up with and help you out. But if you do, then we'll start buying back some time and make you some more money, and we'll start X, Y, and Z-ing benefit that we originally promised on the webinar. And so